बोइंग कंपनी हैदराबाद में और कोई फ्रेटर कन्वर्जन लाइन बना रही है, जिसमें ये कहा गया है Boeing and GMR Aerotechnic will set up a passenger plane to freighter conversion line in Hyderabad as the US firm looks to expand aircraft modification capabilities in India, as well as tap the rising cargo market demand. The deal will help support India's ambitions to become a global cargo hub, Boeing Chief Strategy Officer Mark Allen told reporters. So this is the Hindustan Times news of today, of 11th of March. So ये एक बहुत अच्छा स्टेप है और कार्गो डेफिनेटली is a future or destination for growth of nation, and it is a very healthy step. Thank you.